In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your HubSpot account. Whether you're moving on to a different platform or simply taking a break, knowing how to properly close your HubSpot account is crucial. So let's dive right into the process, guiding you step by step. First off, you'll need to navigate to the HubSpot website, which you can easily find by typing HubSpot into your favorite search engine. Alternatively, you can directly enter the URL in your browser's address bar. Once on the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as having a good grasp of the site will make navigation smoother. Now, locate and click on the Login button. This button is typically found in the upper right hand corner of the homepage. Enter your login credentials to access your HubSpot account. If you've forgotten your password, there is usually an option to reset it, so don't fret. Once you're logged in, the next step is to go to your HubSpot home. This is basically your main dashboard where you'll see an overview of your HubSpot activities. Take a moment here if you need to glance over any final data or information, as you'll lose access once the account is deleted. Now, look towards the top corner of your screen for the settings option, often represented by a gear icon. Clicking on this will take you to the settings menu where you can manage different aspects of your HubSpot account. Within the settings menu, look for the security section. This area holds important features related to your account's safety and privacy. Clicking on security will lead you to options that pertain to the closure of your account. Finally, under the security section, there should be an option that reads delete my user account. Clicking this will initiate the account deletion process. Follow any additional prompts that ensure you want to complete this action, as account deletions are intended to be final. Remember, once your account is deleted, you won't be able to recover any data unless you've made backups beforehand. It's always a good practice to double check if any critical data needs to be saved before proceeding with deletion. And there you have it. I hope this tutorial has made it clear and simple to understand how you can cancel your HubSpot account. If you're hesitant at any step, review it again or pause to contemplate. Make sure your decision aligns with your future needs. Thank you for joining me in this quick yet detailed guide, and I hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day and happy exploring with whatever tools or paths you choose next.